Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log in to the MetaTrader 5 application on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, if you haven't installed the MetaTrader application on your device already, then first of all open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device and then search for MetaTrader 5. Once you find the application, just tap on the install button and wait for the installation to complete. Once the installation is done, you can tap on the Open button to open up the application. Once you open up the application, you will be able to sign into your account by tapping on the menu icon at the top left corner and then by tapping on Get Started. Then you can simply tap on the plus icon at the top right corner and select your broker. After you select your broker, you will be able to open a demo account or log in to your existing account. So all you need to do is type in your login code followed by your password. Then just click on the login button and you will be logged into your MetaTrader 5 application on your smartphone. And there you have it. That is how easy it is. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.